Bronze 4, American Bolero. Figure 4, side pass with syncopated spin. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick and quick, slow. And now the gentleman's footwork. He begins with our sway action. Forward check, leading the lady into a turn. Handshake hold. Forward check as he turns. Side break, leading her for a syncopated turn to conclude the figure. And now the lady's footwork. She does a sway action to begin. Check. Lady's turn. She rocks back. Quick, quick, slow. Quick and slow for a syncopated spin.